Can you share YouTube TV on Zoom? Yes, you can share YouTube TV on Zoom using the screen sharing feature. Here's how you can do it. Step number 1, set up your Zoom meeting. Open the Zoom app on your computer or device. Start or join a Zoom meeting. Step number 2, open YouTube TV. Log into your YouTube TV account in your web browser or app. Select the channel or content you want to share. Step number 3, enable screen sharing. In the Zoom meeting, click the Share Screen button on the toolbar. Select the window or screen where YouTube TV is playing. Check the Share Sound box at the bottom left to ensure participants can hear the audio. Step number 4, optimize for video. Before sharing, click Optimize for Video Clip to enhance video playback quality. Step number 5, share YouTube TV. Click Share to start broadcasting your YouTube TV screen. Ensure your internet connection is stable for smooth playback. Important considerations: copyright compliance. Sharing YouTube TV content over Zoom might violate copyright laws or the platform's terms of service. Ensure you have the right to share the content.